A question I get often is, hey Mike, how much automobile coverage do I really need? And unfortunately, it's a conversation I have often with clients after they're in my office and they've already had a collision. Well, and I know a lot of people think about when they're getting insurance, I'm doing it because I have to. I don't have a lot of assets to protect. I'm a safe driver. It's a lot of money. But you're thinking about it wrong. You need to think about this insurance as protecting you from others. I don't know if you knew it or not, but the minimum policy that someone can have in Indiana and Illinois is only $25,000. So they can actually get that $25,000 policy and meet these state minimums and drive on that. And we also know that people drive with no insurance. And that's important because they could cause damage to you. So let's say, for example, somebody crosses a center line, causes a head-on collision, and they damage you or a family member, and they can cause lost wages, medical bills, pain and suffering, permanency of $100,000 or more. And if they're running around on that policy limit of $25,000, that's all you potentially can get from them is that $25,000. And you can't get anything else unless you have the proper coverage. If they have no insurance, then you may be stuck collecting nothing for their negligence unless you have the proper coverage. So when you meet with your agent, which you should do annually, go over the premiums, go over the available coverages, talk to them about higher limits and talk to them about uninsured coverage and underinsured coverage, which I will cover in another video. And think about it as protecting you and your family from others, not just something that you have to have. Thanks.